And so this is part two of a chip of the day. I did a chip of the day on this TTL delay line. And one of my viewers said that these were constructed by taking a 7404 and just putting L's and C's on top of it. And I thought, yeah, that's probably what I would do. So let's take a look at this part. I was able to take a chisel and cleave it in half. So this is what I got. And you can see there's a bunch of L's and C's. And yeah, so that's near the top of the part. So there must probably be a TTL part underneath it, I guess. Here's another one that I cracked open. You can see the inductors quite nicely on this one. So yeah, little spools of wire, few capacitors here and there, and all of it's just kind of put on top of a lead frame. Now the lead frame looks like a standard TTL part. And some of the pins are just sheared off. So not all 14 pins come out, just a few pins come out. Well, that's kind of interesting. And then when you put the things on top, there, in this picture, you can kind of see there's a layer of maybe tape there, some type of insulating material. I don't know what that is, but it looks like there's a layer of an insulator. So when you sandwich this together, it doesn't short out to the lead frame. I was able to get it down to see the die. So there's a tiny little 7404 die. I'm assuming it's the 7404 die right there in the center. I wasn't able to get to the surface to actually look at the IC and put it under the microscope to see if it really is a 7404 or not. If I had the right chemicals and stuff, yeah, you could etch this away and take a look at it. But I don't have those chemicals, nor do I want to play with those chemicals. They seem kind of nasty. So anyway, yeah, there it is. So yeah, I guess my viewer was right. You take a 7404 and yeah, you just put a bunch of stuff on top of it and put some epoxy over it so nobody can tell what you did.